Hey there, boys and girls. Here we go. Day number 7 of our March Daily Math. All right, we're going to start right off with 5 equals a number minus 4. We can also think of a number minus 4 equals 5. Well, this is like back in the day, right? We're talking fact triangles here. So we know this is our big number because it's the top one in a subtraction problem, right? So we're missing this, and we have this and this. Okay? So what are we going to do there? Well, we add the two together to get to the top, right? 4 plus 5 is 9. All right, number 2 says, write the value of the 4 in each number. Well, here the 4 is in the ones place, right? So it's going to be 4. 4 is in the tens place, so it's going to be worth 40. And 4 is in the hundreds place, so it's going to be worth 400. Okay, number 3, March Madness. Yeah, March is basketball month. Aiden wants to buy 2 new basketballs. Each basketball costs $30. And he wants 2 of them. One of them is $30. 2 of them would be, well, 30 plus 30. It's like 3 plus 3. 6, 30 plus 30, 60. Okay. He has 5 $5 bills, so that would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How much more money does he need? Okay, so because it says how much more money, we know he doesn't have enough. We can add up the price of both basketballs, right? 30 plus 30 is 60. 5 $5 bills is $25. So the total cost is 60. We only have 25. Okay, so how much more do we need? Well, let's find out the difference. More on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we still need $35. All right, number 4. Each piece of this puzzle is worth 3 cents. How much does the whole puzzle cost? Well, this one's 3. I've said each one is worth 3, right? So 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So the total cost of the puzzle is 12 cents. Write an addition equation to describe this model. Well, we've seen this one countless times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. All right, so 4 plus 4 is 8, and that's 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, boys and girls, great job with day number 7 of your daily math. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 8.